Good afternoon, students. Welcome back once again to the mathematics class. In today's lecture, we are going to study trigonometric functions, that is in terms of ratios. Already you have studied in your 10th standard trigonometric ratios, right? Similarly, here also we quickly recapitulate the trigonometric ratios, right? For that, let us consider a right angle triangle. Let us consider a right angle triangle A, B, C, right? Let us consider a right angle triangle A, B, C in which the right angle triangle 90 degree at B, right angled at B. ABC is a right angle triangle in which B is right angled at B, where angle BAC equals to theta, that is acute angle, right? Acute angle BAC equals to what? Acute angle, whereas AB is the adjacent, or we can say base, right? AB is adjacent, or we can say base, whereas this is angle theta. Opposite side is nothing but, we can say, opposite side or perpendicular side, and this one is hypotenuse side, right? HYP, hypotenuse, or we can say adjacent, opposite side, hypotenuse, or base, perpendicular or hypotenuse, right? Simply to remember this, the ratios, we can write Pandits Badri Prasad Har Bol. Har Bol, right? Here P stands for perpendicular, B stands for base, P stands for perpendicular, H stands for hypotenuse, and B stands for base here. Let's see the trigonometric ratios of the functions, right? Let's see the first one, sine theta. The ratio of sine theta is perpendicular divided by hypotenuse, that is base by, perpendicular divided by hypotenuse means BC by AC. Or we can write perpendicular divided by hypotenuse, P by H, which is equals to BC by AC. Next, cos theta, that is base by hypotenuse, that is P by H. Base by hypotenuse means AB by AC. Next, third one is tan theta, that is perpendicular divided by base. That is perpendicular is BC by AB. Next, cosec theta, it is reciprocal of sin theta, that is H by P, which is equals to AC by BC. Next, cos means reciprocal of cos is sec theta, H by hypotenuse by base, which is equals to AC by AB. And finally, cot theta, that is base by perpendicular, that is AB by BC, right? C, P, B, P, पंडित बद्री प्रसाद. साइन का रेशो क्या है? परपेंडिकुलर बाय हाइपोटेनस cos base by hypotenuse, tan perpendicular divided by base. If you remember these three, sine, cos, tan, then automatically you can get these three, because these three are reciprocal of sine, cos and tan. Cosec, sec, cot are reciprocal of sine, cos, tan. Therefore, these three if you remember, then automatically we get cosec, sec and cot. To remember this easily, this is a statement, you can say a line to remember the ratios of trigonometric functions, right? Pandit, that is P. Bhadri Prasad, Har Bol, P by H, B by H, P by B, P by B. Pandit Bhadri Prasad, Har Bol. Pandit by Har, Bhadri by Har, Prasad by Bol, right? ये याद रखना है, याद रख के आप ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज इजीली आप याद कर सकते हैं, राइट? By using trigonometric ratios, we have to solve some identities, that is fundamental identities of trigonometric ratios, right? Now, fundamental relation between the trigonometric ratios. Prove the following identities. Prove the following identities. First one, sin theta into cosec theta equals to 1, and second one is cos theta sec theta equals to 1. Next, third one, tan theta cot theta equals to 1. Next, sorry. Next, fourth one, tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta. Next, fifth one, cot theta equals to cos by sin. Next, sixth one, sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is equals to 1. Next, seventh one, 1 plus tan square theta equals 2. Sec square theta. Finally, eighth one, 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta. ये क्या है? Trigonometric identities है. ये क्या है? By using trigonometric ratios, we have to prove these identities. क्या है? First one, sin theta cosec theta which is equals to 1 बोल के प्रूव करना है. Next, cos theta into sec theta which is equals to 1. Tan theta into cot theta which is equals to 1. Tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta equals to cos theta by sin theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta which is equals to 1. 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta which is equals to cosec square theta, right? Next, we will see the solution or proof of these identities one by one. For that, let us consider a right angle triangle again. It is A, B, C, right? It is right angled at B. It is nothing but adjacent side, opposite side. It is hypotenuse, right? Now first let us consider first one, that is sin theta into cosec theta. Sin theta into cosec theta. Now ratio of sin theta is perpendicular divided by base, that is nothing but BC by AC, and cosec is reciprocal of sin, AC by BC. Therefore BC AC get cancelled, which is equals to what? 1. Therefore sin theta into cosec theta which is equals to 1. Next, sin theta cosec theta, which can also be written as sin theta equals to 1 upon cosec theta, or cosec theta which is equals to 1 by sin theta, right? Next, second one, cos theta sec theta. Now ratio of cos theta is base by hypotenuse, it is AB by AC. AB by AC. Now reciprocal of sin is cos AC by AB. AC get cancelled, which is equals to 1. Therefore cos theta can be written as 1 by sec theta, or sec theta which is equals to 1 by cos theta, right? Next, third one, tan theta into cot theta equals to 1. Tan theta cot theta which is equals to 1. Therefore tan theta equals to perpendicular divided by base, that is BC by AB. Now reciprocal of tan is cot, that is AB by BC. Therefore BC AC get cancelled, which is equals to 1. Therefore tan theta can be written as 1 by cot theta, or cot theta which is equals to 1 by tan theta, right? क्या करें, सिंपली साइन का रेशियो सब्स्टिट्यूट करें, कॉस का तो रेसिप्रोकल है, बाय यूजिंग साइन वी कैन रिप्लेस और इंटरचेंज, take numerator to denominator, it is reciprocal of sin is cosec, we can write directly here, which is equals to 1. Therefore sin theta equals to 1 by cos we can write by using this formula. Again cosec theta which is equals to 1 by sin theta. Similarly cos theta into sec theta, AB by AC is cos, reciprocal of cos is sec, therefore AC by AB. AB get cancelled, AC get cancelled, remains 1 only. Therefore cos theta equals to 1 by sec theta, or sec theta equals to 1 by cos theta. Similarly tan theta into cot theta which is equals to tan ratio is BC by AB. It is perpendicular divided by base. Therefore reciprocal of tan is cot, that is AB by BC, which is equals to 1. BC get cancelled, AB get cancelled, which is equals to 1. Therefore tan theta which is equals to 1 by cot theta, or cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta. Next we will solve fourth one. It is tan theta. Now write down this. Okay. Next we will move to the next fourth formula, or you can say fourth identity. Now fourth one, sin theta by cos theta. That is tan theta is there. We can solve by using reciprocal. Let us consider RHS here. It is sin theta by cos theta. Now ratio of sin theta is, yes, BC by AC. Next cos theta is AB by AC. Therefore AC get cancelled. What we get here? BC by AB. BC by AB, which is nothing but your tan theta, right? BC by AB is tan theta. Now similarly we can prove fifth one, cos theta by sin theta, which is equals to, again cos AB by AC divided by BC by AC. Again here AC get cancelled, AB by BC, which is nothing but cot theta. AB by BC, that is adjacent by opposite, is nothing but cot theta. Next finally sixth one, sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta can also be written as, or we can write here tan theta can be written as, see one more, tan theta can be written as 1 by cot theta, or cot theta can be written as 1 by tan theta, right? ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं हम. Next we will solve sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is equals to 1, right? Write down this. Next, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 6 1. Let us consider LHS. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now ratio of sin theta is BC by AC whole square plus of cos theta AB by AC whole square, which is equals to BC square upon AC square plus AB square upon AC square. Now take LCM, base is common here, BC square plus of AB square, which is equals to AC square. Therefore BC square plus AB square can be written as AC square upon AC square, which is equal, get cancel 1 by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square, which is equals to directly what we can write AC square, that is by Pythagoras theorem, that is nothing but AB square plus BC square, which is directly equals to what? AC square, right? By using that we can write sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is equals to LHS equals to RHS. Therefore sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is equals to 1 only, right? Next, 1 plus tan square theta, right? Seventh one, 1 plus tan square theta, which is equals to sec square theta, is there, right? Now let us consider here 1 plus tan square theta LHS. 1 plus of tan perpendicular divided by base, that is BC by AB whole square, which can be written as 1 plus of BC square by AB square. Now cross multiply this, what we get? AB square plus of BC square upon AB square. Now AB plus BC can be written as AC square by using Pythagoras theorem again. AB square plus of BC square can be written as AC square. Therefore AC by AB now. AC by AB, which is equals to what? Sec it is, ratio of sec, which is equals to sec square theta. Therefore 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. Therefore LHS equals to what? RHS, right? क्या करें यहाँ पे? 1 plus of ratio of tan is BC by AB. Now taking its square and cross multiply it, AB square plus of BC square by AB square, again by using Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem, that is PT. AB square plus BC square equals to AC square upon AB square. Therefore AB by AC by AB is ratio of sec. Therefore 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta, right? Now which can also be written as 1 plus tan square theta, which is equals to sec square theta, right? And again tan square theta minus sec square theta minus tan square theta, which is equals to 1, or tan square theta, which is equals to sec square theta minus 1, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, और 1 plus tan square theta, which is equals to sec square theta, and sec square theta minus tan square theta, which is equals to 1, or tan square theta, which is equals to sec square theta minus 1, right? Next, finally 1 plus cot square theta, which is equals to cosec square theta. Let's see, 8th one. 1 plus cot square theta, that is LHS we are considering here. 1 plus cot, reciprocal, or ratio of cot is AB by BC, its square. Therefore 1 plus of AB square by BC square. Therefore, cross multiply with what we get, BC square plus of AB square upon BC square. Again, BC square plus AB square is AC square by BC square. AC square by BC square, which is equals to cosec square theta. Therefore, 1 plus cot square theta, which is equals to cosec square theta, right? Again, 1 plus cot square theta, which is equal to cosec square, which can also be written as 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta, right? Therefore, 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta, which can be written like this also, right? These are the basic identities which related to trigonometric ratios, right? These formulas are very important while solving problems. We can use these identities to solve the problems to get solution, right? This much is in this lecture. Again, in the next class we will see some problems based on trigonometric ratios. Till then, take care, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.